Hey guys, it's the Villaman here, and today we're going through the unboxing, setup, and initial impressions of this beast you see behind me right here. Stick around. Now for the tricky part.
It's not too bad.
Yeah? Oh. Where's the front? Wait, where's the front?
Oh, yeah. I'm guessing this.
There should be another top. Oh, front this way. Okay, perfect. All right, because we don't want to have to spin it around in the room, because even though there's space, that'd be a pain. All right, we can take off these straps, I guess. Okay, and power cable and manuals. All right. Woo. This thing looks huge already, but I guess we'll see in a second. All right. Do you have the clips on your side?
Yeah.
Yeah, pinch clips.
Pinch. Got it.
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, that's much more convenient.
There you are. Let me be the hired helper.
Yep. So it's covered in cardboard. So it's secured pretty well for a 100-inch TV. There's a foam cardboard around the edges, so any dings might not damage the frame. Question is this tape? Oh yeah, this comes off. Was there the stand? So it has feet, right?
It's here.
Okay, so it has. Okay, it has feet, not a pedestal stand. All right. I believe the stand will be installed from here. I don't think we need to necessarily take the TV out of the box to install the stand, but we shall see. All right, so this part comes out. Oh wait, I think you have to like lift it a little bit to pull the star. Could you pull the star from out the front part? Just pull it out. Want to lift it?
Yep.
Yeah.
There we go.
Perfect. And then I'm going to basically, we're gonna
Slide it your way, foot.
slide my foot out first, and then we can install this stand over here.
Yep.
And then we install.
Another 4 inches or so.
Yeah.
Yep.
Is that where?
There's the edge, so pull it past there.
Ooh. If that's the edge, how's it gonna fit on my TV stand? It's gonna be a bit too wide for the stand. This is 71 inches. And this is 78.5. So yeah, there is space for it. So
Let me know if you need me to hold it up on that side.
yep, this is how this feet get installed. Okay.
Oh, hang on, my hand's right where the stand is.
Oh yeah. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, the foot's on.
Is it stuck on?
Yeah. Pretty simple.
Okay. Let's lift and you can pull the styrofoam out.
Yeah. All right. So we're 50% complete. Halfway there. Living on a prayer. All right.
Okay.
Pull.
I got the corner of it.
Tape is in the way.
Good. Cardboard is clear.
Oh,
Yep. We're good. We're good.
push. Put it on. Put it on. Oh.
Okay. I've got the TV if
You
you
got
grab
it?
the stand.
Okay. And down. This was a workout, especially for two people. This little cardboard here, though protective, did not make it any easier. Turn them back. Oh! Don't throw it back, please. Yeah. Oh, okay. That is,
It could be bigger.
that is massive. It's massive, especially in this room. So now let's do the peel. The TV has a tab right here that So here's the included solar remote. It has a solar panel in the back for charging, so it doesn't use batteries like a typical remote. Has smart buttons for Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube, as well as Samsung TV Plus. The integrated menu button, directional buttons. It's not lighted, by the way. The Bixby voice control button. Setup is pretty straightforward, so I don't think we need to go through that. You don't even need to sign in for the setup to be completed. And once you do, you can go to home. There are lots of apps, of course, because this is a Tizen OS TV. So we can go up and see what apps are in the App Store. As well as what's new, music, radio. Yeah. So to get additional apps, to download any apps, if you don't sign into the TV, you'll need to do that to download additional apps. They definitely redid the menu because now it's just a small window on the left-hand side. I guess you don't need a really big window, especially for a large 100-inch TV like this one. So let's talk specs. The TV comes in 5 sizes, 55, 65, 75, 85, and 100 inches like we have here. It has 4 HDMI 2.1 ports and has the NQ4 AI Gen 2 processor for image processing and upscaling. It supports HDR10, HLG, and HDR10 Plus for an HDR standard with dynamic metadata. Samsung TVs still don't support Dolby Vision. It has 2 USB-A ports and support up to 144 Hz. It has a 4-channel 30-watt sound system and supports Dolby Atmos. It supports ALLM and FreeSync Premium Pro. Interestingly enough though, it doesn't have the same anti-reflective coating that you see on the QD-OLED TVs. Just looking at it, you can see this TV is massive, and I've had 100-inch projection screens and 120-inch projection screens, and I think a large format TV like this and a projector or projection system has different use cases. So this will certainly be more adept in performing in different environmental conditions. So whether it be a room with a lot of ambient lighting or a dark room, I think will perform great in both. A dark room, it will perform, not as great as a projector because this will have the local dimming zones visible, even though it's a mini LED TV with a lot of local dimming zones. It still can't escape that quintessential part of an LCD TV where the backlight zones are visible on those really high contrast scenes, so bright objects on a dark background. And we're going to be testing the TV to see just how well it performs, whether it be picture accuracy out of the box, viewing angles, local dimming zone performance, reflectivity, all of that. So stick around for that because that is to come for this TV. That said though, the Q80F really does look good. In gaming mode, it supports up to 144 Hz and the input lag at 120 Hz is 7.5 milliseconds, which is really low. Not quite as low as the LG OLED that I've tested that goes down to, I think, 4.8 milliseconds. So definitely faster. At 60 Hz, the input lag is 9.8 milliseconds. Again, pretty fast. And I think even just saying those numbers we're clearly getting spoiled from what we were a few years ago, but hey, there are faster TVs out there. Nonetheless, this one is a really fast one too. The built-in game bar is pretty convenient because just holding down the play pause button brings it up in game mode, and you can see what your settings are, picture settings are for the game, and you can change certain settings. So it will change how the picture is rendered, whether it be increasing the shadow detail by raising the black level or increasing the saturation, what have you. I tested it so far with my gaming PC, the Villa Consola, using Overwatch 2, and it was a really smooth performance. It performed really well. So I have no complaints so far with that one game in my initial test for gaming, but we'll dive more in depth, and that will be covered in the screen test / full review. The TV has a 4-channel sound system that's compatible with Dolby Atmos, but I have it paired with a QN80F Soundbar, which has the soundbar up front, but also 2 wireless rear speakers as well as a wireless subwoofer. So the rear speakers have up-firing drivers, and the subwoofer has dual 8-inch drivers, so it produces a pretty good low-end kick. Granted, it won't have the same insane performance as this 18-inch sealed subwoofer from Deep Sea Sound. No, I think those cater to 2 different objectives. So this QN80F with the sound system that it has is more catered to anyone who wants an integrated sound system, while the Deep Sea Sound subwoofer, on the other hand, would be for anyone who wants really high performance sound with minimal compromises. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you have any questions, because Samsung sent this TV to me, so I intend to put it through the ringer before I send it back. So let me know what you want to see, and I will cover it in my test. So don't forget to subscribe and come back for those tests, as well as tests on other TVs, because I have some other ones in the backlog as well. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been your friend and neighborhood Villa Man saying be safe and peace.